Welcome back to WizzKidz TV. Look what we have today. We're going to draw some dinosaurs. I wonder what dinosaur this is. Let's draw to find out. What color is this? Blue. Well done. Let's use the blue color to draw this dinosaur to find out what dinosaur it is. I wonder what dinosaur it is. It looks like it has spikes on the back. Let's keep drawing to find out. Can you think of what dinosaur this is? We're almost finished. I wonder what dinosaur it is. Are you ready to find out what dinosaur this is? A stegosaurus. Look at the spikes on his back, his long tail, and his tiny feet. This is his head. Stegosaurus. Let's do another one. Let's choose this one. I wonder what dinosaur this is. What color do you want to use? Let's choose the color green. Well done. I wonder what dinosaur this is. These look like his feet. 1, 2. This is the tail. Let's keep drawing to find out what dinosaur this is. I wonder what dinosaur it could be. Let's find out. These are his arms. They're very small. This is his head. He looks like he has a crest on his head. Do you know what dinosaur has a crest on his head? I wonder if it could be Parasaurolophus. Let's find out. Are you ready? It's a Parasaurolophus. This is the tail and his feet, his arms and his head. Look at the crest on the head. Parasaurolophus. So cool. Let's do another one. Let's do this one. I wonder what dinosaur this is. Can you tell? Let's find out together. Let's choose a color. Let's choose the color pink. That's right. It looks like it has horns on the head. I wonder what dinosaur has horns on his head. Can you have a guess? Maybe it's a Triceratops. Or it could be a Carnotaurus. He has 4 legs. So it's not a Carnotaurus because Carnotaurus has 2 legs. I think it's a Triceratops. What do you think? Let's find out. It looks like a Triceratops. It has 1, 2, 3 horns. His legs and his face, the tail and his body. Triceratops. We have Stegosaurus, Parasaurolophus, and Triceratops. So cool! Let's do some animals now. Look at this! We have flowers and flying bugs. Let's choose a color. Let's choose the color purple. Let's draw this. I wonder what it is. Let's draw together to find out. I wonder what it is. It looks like it has wings. Are you ready? It's a butterfly. Wow! A pretty butterfly. Let's do another one. Let's draw a flower. We're going to use different colors to draw the flower. This is the color pink. That's right. Let's make it look very pretty. Do you like drawing? Me too. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is yellow. What color shall we use now? Can you help me choose a color? Let's choose brown. Orange. We're almost done. I wonder what it looks like. Are you ready to see the flower? It's so nice. Let's do another one. Ooh, we're going to do the swirly flower. We're going to use all the colors. Green. Orange. Pink. brown, yellow, black, blue, purple, aqua, and pink. Let's use them to finish the flower. Are you ready to see what it looks like? Let's have a look. Wow, it's so pretty. Look how colorful it is. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. And we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.